Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're a small business owner looking to grow your customer base and get noticed in your local area, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of local SEO and how it can skyrocket your business visibility. Whether you're a bakery, a dentist, or a local gym, this guide is packed with tips to help you get found online and drive more foot traffic into your store. Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is local SEO? Simply put, local SEO is the practice of optimizing your website and online presence to rank higher in local search results. When someone nearby searches for a product or service you offer, local SEO helps your business show up in the search engine results page, or SERP. For example, if you own a coffee shop in your city and someone searches "best coffee near me," local SEO will help your business show up in the local pack, those 3 highlighted businesses at the top of the search results. Why local SEO matters for small businesses? Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about local SEO? Well, research shows that 46% of all Google searches are looking for local information. This means if you're not optimizing for local searches, you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential customers. Additionally, 76% of people who search for something nearby visit a business within a day. So, local SEO can drive instant foot traffic to your store, boosting sales and increasing your chances of building a loyal customer base. Now, let's break down the key elements of local SEO that you need to focus on to succeed. We're talking about 5 crucial factors. First, you must have a Google My Business (GMB) profile. This is the most important step in local optimization. It's free to set up, and it helps your business show up in Google Maps and the local search results. Make sure to complete your profile, include accurate business details, such as your name, address, phone number, also known as NAP, business hours, and website URL. The more details you provide, the better. Next, you need to focus on using local keywords. These are terms that include your location, such as "best pizza in Mumbai" or "Mumbai plumber." Incorporate these into your website content, blog posts, and meta descriptions. These local keywords tell search engines where you're located and what your business is about. Third, online reviews matter more than ever. Consumers trust reviews, so encourage your happy customers to leave positive feedback on Google, Yelp, and other review platforms. The more reviews you have, the more trustworthy and visible your business become. Remember, respond to reviews, whether positive or negative, as it shows you care about your customers. Another critical aspect is local citations. These are mentions of your business on other websites, such as directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or local business associations. Ensure that your NAP information is consistent across these platforms. Consistency is key. If your details are different on each site, it can confuse search engines and hurt your rankings. Finally, your website needs to be mobile friendly. Since so many local searches are done on mobile devices, you want your site to load quickly and display well on smartphones and tablets. Make sure your website is responsive and easy to navigate for the best user experience. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about a few advanced local SEO strategies. Consider creating location-based content on your website. This could include blog posts about local events, local partnerships, or guides that highlight your community. It helps build local relevance and gives people more reasons to visit your site. By being involved in your local community online, you increase your chances of ranking for local search. Another advanced strategy is using schema markup. This is code added to your website that helps search engines better understand your business and display rich snippets in search results, like showing your business hours or ratings directly in the SERP. It's a technical aspect of local SEO, but it can improve how your business is presented in search results. Once you've implemented these strategies, it's essential to track your progress. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console can help you monitor your traffic, keyword rankings, and user behavior to make data-driven decisions for improvement. Regularly check these metrics to see how your local SEO efforts are paying off. So, there you have it. Those are the key steps to mastering local SEO for your small business. By optimizing your Google My Business profile, using local keywords, gathering reviews, and more, you can boost your online visibility and attract more local customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.